particle executes SHM of amplitude A and time period T, usual notations. Amplitude is A, time period is T. The distance traveled by the particle in the duration, its phase changes from pi by 12. Phase changes from pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12. इस duration में, when the phase changes from pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12, what will be the distance traveled? This is mean position, and suppose this is extreme position. When the particle reaches from O to A, the phase changes by how much? Pi by 2 radians. 1/4 oscillation means pi by 2 radians. So when it moves from O to A, the phase changes by pi by 2 radians. Pi by 12 मतलब इससे कम है, pi by 2 से कम है. 5 pi by 12 भी उससे कम है, मतलब इधर से इधर तक गया है वो, pi by 12 to 5 pi by 12. For 5 pi by 12, for suppose pi by 12, the displacement is x1. For this, it is x2. So distance traveled from x1 to x2 means x2 minus x1 you have to find out, which is equal to x is a sine omega t. So a sine 5 pi by 12 minus x1 will be a sine pi by 12. Check it. देख लो एक बार. You can take now a common. A into bracket sine 5 pi by 12 minus sine pi by 12. Right? If you can find it directly, well and good. मतलब यहाँ पर 180 डिग्री डालो, डिवीजन करो, यहाँ पर 180 डिग्री डालो, डिवीजन करो, and find it. Or what you can do here is a into sine c minus sine d is 2 cos c plus d by 2, sine c minus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2, sine c minus d by 2. Now solve this. अब इसको solve करो. So this is 2a, correct? Because if you open the bracket, this 2 into a cos of 5 pi by 12 plus pi by 12, that is 6 pi by 12. 6 pi by 12 means pi by 2. Pi by 2 by 2 is pi by 4 into sine 5 pi by 12 minus pi by 12, that is 4 pi by 12, that is pi by 3. Pi by 3 by 2, that is pi by 6. So that is equal to 2a into cos of pi by 4, cos 45 is 1 by root 2 into sine pi by 6, sine 30 is 1 by 2. This 2 gets cancelled. What remains? A by root 2. So your answer is a by root 2, that is option A, 1 upon root 2 into A.